That was fun.
Golden singing Brand New Star.
Yes.
It's a great song. I remember when we first heard the song. A couple of young songwriters, about 28 years old, wrote the song. And I remember after we recorded it, I was standing there with these young guys and I said to them, that's the happiest sounding song about people dying I've ever heard. To which one of them young boys said, well, that's the point. That is the point. Well, now we're all on service. And we have a reason, our latest CD, latest album, Front Porch Singing. The whole idea for the album was 4 Oak Ridge boys sitting on a front porch
Singing.
So we have made your stage our front porch. We're going to sing some songs from Front Porch Singing, starting out with another great gospel song.
Oh, hold it. Get the face right to them.
Life is like a mountain railroad with an engineer that's brave. We must make the run successful from the cradle to the grave. Watch the curve, the hills, the tunnels, never falter, never fail. Keep your hand upon the throttle and your eye upon the rail. Blessed Savior, thou wilt guide us till we reach that blissful shore where the angels wait to join us in thy praise, forevermore. As you roll across the trestle, spanning Jordan's swelling tide, you'll behold the Union Depot into which your train will glide. There you'll meet the superintendent, God the Father, God the Son. With extended hands he'll greet you, weary pilgrim, welcome home. Blessed Savior, thou wilt guide us till we reach that blissful shore where the angels wait to join us in thy praise forever.